Welcome. This is a brief introduction to the video workshop. So you can find the complete instructions for the video workshop in the PDF that's attached to the assignment on Carmen. But here I want to briefly discuss the goals for the assignment and how you might use it as a course project. So first, there are two broad goals for this workshop, which mirror some of the goals that we'll see for other workshops. And the first is to think through the rhetorical affordances of video production. If you're not familiar with video production or haven't worked in it very extensively, to get some hands-on experience and think about what sort of arguments can I make using a video and what information can be shared that might not be able to be shared as easily or as effectively in other media. You'll notice that we've encouraged you to use materials from your collections that you started yesterday. And I think one of the things that you're going to find as you start working through this project is that those materials aren't going to be enough. You might feel that you need to supplement them either by creating additional materials or looking for copyright or royalty-free materials that you can use. And that's perfectly okay, although we guide you to the collection. Think of the collection as a place to start, not a box that's locked you in for this assignment. The second goal for this particular project is to model a pedagogical practice for teaching students to use a video editing tool. In this one, we focused on step-by-step instructions with a particular tool, in this case, Adobe Premiere Rush. One of the reasons we chose this particular tool is, unlike iMovie on the Mac, it's available to people who use Windows, and its interface and features are the same on mobile devices as they are on desktop devices. And it's really easy to, say, start a project on your phone and then move over to your desktop for editing or something like that. Right now, while we all have access to Adobe, it's generally available to OSU students. And once we're teaching back on campus, it'll be available on the computers in the labs in Denny and elsewhere on campus. Building off of these two goals, there are two ways you can think about using a video project for your final project in the course. And one way is just to expand on your rhetorical artifacts, to think about what sort of arguments can I make and what are the unique affordances of video as a medium that I can use to build a broader project that would be representative of my work in the course. Another option is to develop a video assignment that you could teach in one of your classes, whether that's 2269 in the future or some other course that you're using. And if you take that route, you might think about how, one, what are the assignment requirements going to be, and drafting out a set of assignment materials that you might be able to share with your students. And then once you have that worked out, creating that video artifact that, along with the assignment description, you can share with students and say, here's the sort of thing that you might be looking for. To that end, at the end of the video workshop document, you'll find some language and sample assignments that you're free to adapt and use to make it fit your pedagogical goals. And you're also welcome to use any of the materials from the workshop itself for your assignment. So good luck with the workshop. I'm looking forward to hearing how it all turns out today at our 4 p.m. check-in. I'm available on Zoom to offer support or feedback or anything else that you need from 10 to 4 today. That link to the Zoom is on Carmen, and if for whatever reason you log on there and I've stepped away from the computer, my phone number is also there, so just send me a call or give me a text and I'm available. Good luck.